Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to go through and explain some of the recommended equipment in order to practice pulsing massage. Now, one of the great things about pulsing massage is that you don't actually need much stuff to be able to practice it. So it's very practical and user-friendly. So the first thing about pulsing massage is that you can actually do it with clothes on. So it's very non-intrusive in this way. And another reason being that we don't actually use oil. So again, another thing we don't necessarily need or is not a block to us being able to practice. If the client or the person you're working on has loose fitting clothes, it's going to be a lot easier to work with them. Like yoga type clothes is kind of a good general idea. Things like jeans or tight fitting clothes are going to make it a lot harder for the body to pulse in a natural way. So basically just loose fitting or yoga style clothes is most recommended to practice holistic pulsing. The second thing to mention is if you've got a massage table, that's the best. It's just a lot easier to practice with a massage table because you can adjust it to your own height and it's easier to move around the table. However, if you don't have that luxury, that's fine. You can actually practice it on the floor, as I will be doing in the demonstration videos. Using like a futon on the floor or a firm mat on the floor also tends to work as well. If you're working on the floor, you do have to be extra careful of your back when you're giving. And if you have some previous experience, like working on the floor, such as with shiatsu, Thai massage, then you'll find it quite easy to actually do. But if you haven't done work on the floor before, then just be extra cautious of it. However, don't let it stop you. And you'll actually notice after a while, you can actually practice pulsing massage in some form with people in different postures. Even when they're sitting upwards, you can kind of practice the pulsing movement through their arms, for example. So, however, for recommended practicing sake, massage table is the best, and the second option is futon on the floor. The next thing to mention is to have 2 sheets or 2 towels, just one on the bottom, so underneath them. This just gives it kind of a nice comforting feeling, and it keeps the futon, keeps the table clean as well. And also you can have an extra sheet. It's always nice to be able to place it over the top of the client if they get cold, or near the end of the treatment. It's always really nice to place a sheet over somebody so that they can just take a moment. It's very sort of nourishing and feeling of safety when you can do that for somebody else. And lastly is a quiet space with few distractions. Removing those distractions, closing the door, getting rid of the phone, things like that is going to just create a better harmonic environment so that the person receiving can really relax into the treatment. The more that we can relax, the more that our consciousness can actually expand and we get more benefits from it as well. So quiet space is really creating a conducive environment for relaxation to go deep into the practice and to go deep into the benefits. So that's it. That's it for this video. I'll include a PDF attached to this video just to reaffirm your learning. You can download anytime. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thank you.